Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a screencast video on Autodesk.com and how to access your Autodesk account. My name is Zan Ta. I'm from Repo Products. And if you have any questions or anything, you can always give us a call and ask for me, and I'll help you out. So here I am in Internet Explorer. I've gone to Autodesk.com website. I can click the Sign In button up here, choose Autodesk account, and it will ask me to put in my username and password. Once I've signed in, it will actually take me to www.autodesk.com/accounts and to the management page of your Autodesk account. Depending on how much software that you own and how many services that you have within your account and your contract numbers will determine how long this will propagate. For example, for us as resellers, we have access to so many pieces of software that it takes a little while to propagate the data. Now that it has everything that's displayed, the way this window functions fairly easily is you've got some navigation pane buttons on the left side. You have some sub-navigation vertical buttons as well. You have a list of all your products and services. You have your profile and management, and you have support, and you have your account information. If, for example, you need to know where are all of your products like AutoCAD, Revit, so on and so forth, you can click Products, and it will filter by just the products. You can scroll down and look for what you need. So let's say, for example, I look under Revit, and it's alphabetical, by the way. And as you can see, we have a whole bunch of Revits. I can click the little arrow here, which is called a drawer, and it will change the arrow from pointing to the right to pointing down. It will expand, and it will give you a list of your software and what versions, what platforms, and how many seats you have available. It will give you all the different versions of 16, 15, and 14 and the ability to download them with the correct serial number and product keys for installation. You also can click Enhancements. This will take you to a different page that lists all the product enhancements that are available to install with your Autodesk products. And enhancements to the software are things like extensions, service packs, so on and so forth. When you find something that you like, let's say, for example, 3ds Max 2015 Extension 1, click it. It will give you a description of what that information is and the ability to download the README files and the actual executable file. Once you install the add-in software, it will go into a tab called Add-ins on your ribbon. Back at your Autodesk Accounts site, you can also click Updates, and this will list all the product updates that are available for all the products that you own. Again, depending on how many pieces of software that you own, this list may take a while to push out to you. As you can see, we have a long list of product updates that are available, and you can just find the one that you need. So for example, you can go under 3ds Max 2016 Extension 2 and you can download it. You can hit the drawer here as well to expand it, and it will give you the name of the product, the status, the version, when it was released, the size, so on and so forth. You also have the ability to get to product enhancements as well from the quick links here, and getting to network license management software if you need to install your software as network-based. Let's say, for example, you need to get access to the software where you need to use it for the home or use it in some other manner. Let's head over to, say, Revit again. And if you click under More Actions, it'll expand and give you the ability to specify things like get previous version, get home use license, or get a physical copy. If I choose get physical version, previous versions, then it will open up another window and it will list whether I need to send a request or whether it's already included in the software that I've purchased. If I choose get home use license, it will either, again, specify whether for standalone or network-based, if I need to send a request, or use the existing serial number and product key that was given to me. If I need to request physical media, I can click Get a Physical Copy, and this will change the website to the page for requesting physical media. It will ask you to pick the product that you need to get. It will ask you what the language you want and how many copies that you need. You can also click Add Another to add additional lines of products for you to purchase. Specify the shipping address and label. Click Next Step. It will confirm your shipping, and then when you head to checkout, it will prepare the order for you. And before you place the order, it will ask you for obviously payment information. It will double check shipping information and so on and so forth. So as you can see here, it's pushing out the page that's listing the product that you wish to obtain a physical media of, how many you need, the cost, the shipping, and what type of shipping to work with, and the cost associated to it. And once all of this is correct, you can click Proceed to Secure Checkout, and at that point it will ask for payment information. Lastly, if you need to look at your account information, you can click under here, under your name, and you can see your name, email address, and you can sign out. You can also go to Support and look at all your support options and also contact Autodesk Support as well. For those who've logged in as a contract administrator, you will see all of these buttons. If you are not a contract administrator and you've logged in as a standard user, you will not see billing and orders, you will not see users, and you may not even see devices that you've used to tie into the account. But since I am logged in as a contract administrator, I have access to all of this information. And that's it. That's a very quick overview of your Autodesk account and accessing it from Autodesk.com. Thank you very much. And again, if you have any questions, please contact Zanta at Repo